Here are the tools and materials required to install this product. Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to do nail patterns on our Selflok weatherboards. Here we have the natural weatherboards, but the same nail patterns are okay for the primed versions as well. So we've got two options. We can go to a semi-concealed fix or we have a traditional fix. Jackson's going to show us here how to do the semi-concealed fix. So we have a ring shank gun nail go through the lap. You do need to get that nice and close to the surface because you don't want to lift the board coming down on the next one. So we'll put our safety gear on. Okay, then what we do next is bring out the brad nail and have the second nail with the brad through the face, 30mm up from the bottom. Okay, so Jackson now has the 4 nails in, 2 at the top, 2 along the bottom. So now he's going to install another board along the next row. You can see how it engages. That's why we call it a Selflok. So now we'll show you how to do the traditional fix, which is nail 30mm up and then 140mm up. These can be both brads or both ring shank gun nails. Okay, thanks Jackson. The ring shank gun nails do work for that one, but we would recommend that the ND50 stainless steel brad is used because they do hide away into the profile of the board. For more information on which nail pattern suits your project best, please refer to the installation manual for Selflok and our wind tables.